saw this on a YouTube video and I paraphrased it. Develop competency in your skills. If you know what you're doing, you can be confident in what you're doing. If you can do something confidently and competently, quite frankly, you're probably a head above everyone else. There's so many people out there that are unfortunately just not competent. In fact, I consider that probably one of the best compliments you can give somebody is that they're competent. And that's a sad thing to say, but really, truly, if you're going to do something, learn to do it well and learn to do it confidently. And then everyone will respect you and acknowledge that you actually know what you're doing. The worst thing that you can do is do something poorly and think that you're doing it well, and everyone just kind of they know because it's very obvious that you're doing it wrong. It's also obvious that you're not doing it confidently.